brilliant budget garden ideas that will boost your outdoor space without breaking the bank. 1. Opt for a one-color wonder. In a balcony garden, don't overcomplicate things, choose slender planters in a rich, summery color and match your furniture. A lick of metal paint can update an old iron garden chair quite easily and is a cheap update, too. This beautiful blue has a real Mediterranean feel and, together with the slender lines of the plant pots and the chair, the small garden area feels comfortable rather than cluttered. 2. Boost a bench with colorful cushions. Keep a feeling of warmth, even in a shady corner with bright cushions and matching planting. Give your bench a coat of weatherproof wood paint, and, once dry, layer it up with cushions for a modern, budget-conscious look. A crisp white base cushion looks fresh when combined with hot pink striped designs that match the summer blooms that have been planted nearby. A wooden framed lantern makes the ideal finishing touch. 3. Create a cute bird feeder. It's not always big things that change the feel of a garden, it can simply amount to the sounds you hear outside. Boost your garden's atmosphere by encouraging birds in with a DIY bird feeder. Their song will instantly create a more positive feel. This simple design only requires a cup and saucer and some super glue. Talk about budget garden updates. 4. Create a mini vegetable garden. If you want to make your garden a bit more about sustainability, but don't really have space, or the funds, to plant a full-scale veggie patch, why not try a neat vegetable truck instead? Give it a little personalized paint job, plant out your vegetables and see your garden discover a whole new lease of life all year round. 5. Turn your shed into a summer house. If you have a garden shed, but you're not really using it for anything beyond storing a toolbox and housing some cobwebs, don't waste the extra space. You can spruce it up pretty easily and turn it into a bright and airy potting shed, if you're green-fingered, a sunny summer house, a neat studio or even a garden playhouse for the kids. 6. Paint the fence. Garden fences need more care and attention than we usually care to think about. The paint job it needs never lasts as long as we hope it will. So, if you're looking for garden fence ideas, why not treat it a bit differently next time you give it a coat of wood paint? Instead of your usual shades of golden or ashy brown, sounds like a trip to the hair salon. Consider a fresh, playful color instead. 7. Upcycle drawers to create a unique planter. If you have an old, unused chest of drawers knocking about the house, give it a new lease of life by turning it into a unique colorful garden planter. This 4-drawer unit is well balanced with 2 staggered tiers of plants that bring a playful touch to your back garden design. 8. Create an easy awning. If you have a compact patio garden that's a bit of a sun trap, but you don't want to lose valuable space to a parasol, for that little bit of safe shade, consider hanging a simple sail-like canopy. If you don't want to attach it to your masonry, many of these canopies can be raised on slender poles that sit at the sides of the space, rather than in the middle. Prepare to bring the seaside to the garden.